In today's short video, I'm going to introduce you to VBA code in Access Database. Usually in an Access Database, if you want to advance through the records, you just go down here and advance through the records. You can go to the very first one, or you can even do a new one, but it's all done through here. But let's make it a little easier for the user by using buttons and VBA code. Upper left-hand corner, View, Design View. Grab a button, throw it down. Cancel. Right-click, build event. Code builder, and OK. Here we have the VBA editor. I like to tab and enter so we can actually see what we're doing. So do command dot run, and you can tab at this point. Space AC CMD. Records. Okay, you can go to the records first. So tab and enter. And you don't have to save it or anything, just exit out. And we're going to go first. And enter. And let's see if it works. View, form view. Let's go to another record. See if it goes to the first record. And it does. Okay, let's do the next one. Grab a button, cancel, right-click, build event, code builder, and let's do next. So do command dot run, command tab, space AC CMD records. And let's go to next. And enter. And again, you don't have to save or anything, just exit out. And next. And let's see if it works. We're on number 1, number 2, 3, 4. And you can figure out the other buttons for the last and new record. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.